Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Cinnado indoor security camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to connect the Cinnado indoor security camera with the Wands View Cloud app. Why is it not connecting to Wi-Fi? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's open up the Wands View Cloud app. Now, once you open this app up, we're just going to go ahead and click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner. Click on General Settings. Now, once you're in the Wands View Cloud app, the really important thing here is that your Wi-Fi connection needs to be a 2.4 gigahertz connection. So, for example, if I click on the gear icon next to the kitchen device and then scroll down, you can see that my network says that it's a 2.4 gigahertz connection. Now, if I go into the settings option of my mobile device and then go into Wi-Fi, you can see that I have two different networks. So I have a 2.4 connection network and I have a regular connection, which is just Cores. And so with that, the reason why your camera might not be connecting to the Wi-Fi is because you're not using a 2.4 gigahertz connection. So do make sure that you go ahead and use that, and then you should be able to connect to Wi-Fi. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Cinnado indoor camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.